there is something magical about a cottage in summer. The warm breeze, blooming flowers, and gentle sunlight create a feeling that no expensive decoration can truly replace. In today's tour, we'll step inside a home where romance grows naturally through vintage treasures, thrifted finds, handmade accents, and beautiful garden-inspired decor. Every corner tells a quiet story, inviting you to slow down and appreciate the beauty of simple living. If you've ever dreamed of turning your home into a peaceful cottage escape, these decorating ideas may become your next inspiration. The journey starts right at the front entrance, where climbing roses, weathered wooden planters, and antique-inspired details create an unforgettable first impression. Instead of polished perfection, the beauty comes from natural textures and pieces that have gracefully aged over time. A distressed wooden bench welcomes visitors beside woven baskets filled with fresh lavender, while vintage watering cans double as charming decorative accents. This inviting entrance immediately sets the mood, blending rustic elegance with effortless summer warmth that feels both timeless and deeply personal. Color plays an essential role in creating a romantic cottage atmosphere. Soft cream, warm ivory, faded sage green, dusty blush, pale butter yellow, and gentle sky blue work together to mimic the colors found in blooming summer gardens. These calming tones make every room feel brighter while preserving a cozy and intimate character. Rather than relying on bold contrasts, the palette flows naturally from one space to another, allowing vintage furniture, floral fabrics, and handcrafted decorations to become the true stars of the interior. Every beautiful cottage feels collected instead of purchased all at once. Old wooden cabinets, weathered farmhouse tables, spindleback chairs, and antique dressers bring a sense of history that modern furniture often cannot replicate. Small imperfections like chipped paint, worn edges, and visible wood grain become charming reminders of years gone by. Mixing inherited family pieces with carefully selected thrift store treasures creates a home filled with personality, proving that meaningful interiors are built through patience rather than expensive shopping trips. One of the greatest joys of cottage decorating is discovering unexpected treasures in thrift stores, flea markets, and antique shops. An old ceramic pitcher becomes a flower vase, vintage books create beautiful layered displays, and forgotten picture frames find new life with pressed botanical art. These affordable discoveries add authenticity that mass-produced decor rarely achieves. Every thrifted item carries its own history, allowing homeowners to create interiors that feel unique, collected, and wonderfully imperfect while staying within almost any decorating budget. The romance of a summer cottage doesn't stop outside. Fresh flowers gathered from the garden become effortless centerpieces, while climbing vines near windows blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. Floral prints appear on cushions, curtains, and table linens without overwhelming the space. Wicker baskets filled with herbs, terracotta pots overflowing with greenery, and delicate wildflower arrangements make every room feel alive. This constant connection with nature creates a peaceful environment where every season can be appreciated from inside the home. Romantic cottage interiors celebrate materials that age beautifully over time. Linen curtains gently sway with the summer breeze, cotton slipcovers provide casual comfort, and woven rattan baskets offer practical storage with timeless charm. Weathered wood, natural stone, jute rugs, ceramic pottery, and handcrafted textiles introduce rich textures that make each room feel layered and inviting. Instead of chasing perfectly coordinated furniture sets, combining these natural materials creates a relaxed atmosphere that feels welcoming, authentic, and effortlessly elegant throughout the entire home. The finishing touches often make the greatest difference in cottage decorating. Folded quilts draped across vintage chairs, embroidered cushions, lace table runners, stacked books, scented candles, and delicate floral arrangements work together to create depth without clutter. Every decorative object feels intentional, contributing warmth rather than excess. By layering textures, meaningful keepsakes, and handcrafted accessories, the home develops a lived-in character that feels comfortable from the very first moment. It's this thoughtful balance between simplicity and charm that transforms an ordinary house into a romantic summer cottage full of unforgettable personality. The kitchen is often considered the heart of a cottage home, and in a romantic summer setting, it becomes a space filled with warmth, comfort, and nostalgic charm. Open wooden shelves display vintage dishes, enamel pitchers, glass jars, and handmade pottery collected over the years. Fresh herbs growing in small terracotta pots bring life to the windowsill, while floral tea towels and woven baskets add subtle layers of texture. Rather than hiding everyday essentials, this decorating style celebrates them, transforming practical kitchen items into beautiful design features that reflect the relaxed elegance of country living. A cottage dining area is designed to encourage long conversations and meaningful moments shared around the table. A weathered farmhouse table becomes the centerpiece, surrounded by mismatched vintage chairs that add personality and authenticity. Linen tablecloths, delicate floral centerpieces, antique candle holders, and simple ceramic dinnerware create an inviting atmosphere without feeling overly formal. Whether hosting family dinners or enjoying a quiet breakfast alone, every meal feels more memorable when surrounded by thoughtful details that celebrate simplicity, comfort, and the timeless beauty of cottage-inspired living. The bedroom should feel like a peaceful sanctuary where every element encourages relaxation. Soft linen bedding layered with vintage quilts creates irresistible comfort, while floral pillows and delicate lace accents introduce gentle romance without overwhelming the space. Distressed wooden nightstands, antique mirrors, and cherished thrifted decor add character that cannot be replicated by mass-produced furniture. Fresh flowers placed beside the bed and lightweight curtains moving gently with the summer breeze complete a calming environment where every morning begins with serenity and every evening ends in quiet comfort. One of the defining characteristics of cottagecore decorating is the appreciation for handmade pieces that reflect creativity and individuality. Knitted blankets, embroidered pillow covers, crocheted table runners, hand-painted signs, and pressed flower artwork bring warmth that factory-made decoration simply cannot match. These handcrafted elements tell stories of patience, craftsmanship, and personal expression. Whether created by family members, found at artisan markets, or made as weekend DIY projects, handmade decor gives every room a unique identity that feels deeply personal and wonderfully authentic. Summer decorating doesn't require dramatic transformations. Instead, subtle seasonal updates help refresh the home while maintaining its timeless cottage charm. Sunflowers, daisies, lavender, and wildflowers fill simple glass vases throughout the house, while lightweight cotton fabrics replace heavier winter textiles. Botanical prints, woven picnic baskets, vintage watering cans, and fresh fruit displayed in ceramic bowls introduce cheerful seasonal character. These effortless changes allow the home to celebrate the beauty of summer while remaining elegant, cozy, and connected to the natural rhythms of everyday life. A beautiful cottage home doesn't have to rely entirely on antiques. The secret lies in thoughtfully combining vintage treasures with modern comforts that support everyday living. Contemporary appliances can blend seamlessly beside reclaimed wooden cabinets, while new neutral upholstery complements antique furniture without competing for attention. Mixing old and new creates interiors that feel functional yet full of character. This balanced approach allows homeowners to enjoy modern convenience while preserving the warmth, history, and romantic atmosphere that define authentic cottage-inspired decorating. Before adding lamps or decorative lighting, every romantic cottage embraces the beauty of natural daylight. Large windows dressed with sheer linen curtains invite soft sunshine to filter gently into every room, highlighting wood textures, vintage furniture, and blooming floral arrangements. Morning light creates an uplifting atmosphere, while the golden glow of late afternoon adds warmth that no artificial source can fully imitate. By arranging furniture to welcome sunlight and keeping window treatments light and airy, the home feels open, peaceful, and beautifully connected to the surrounding summer garden. A romantic summer garden cottage is not defined by expensive furniture or perfectly coordinated decor. Its true beauty comes from thoughtful collections, meaningful thrifted finds, natural materials, blooming flowers, and spaces designed to slow everyday life. Every vintage piece, handcrafted detail, and carefully chosen accessory contributes to a home that feels welcoming, timeless, and deeply personal. We hope today's decorating ideas inspire you to embrace the charm of cottagecore living and transform your own home into a peaceful retreat filled with warmth, romance, and unforgettable summer memories. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe to DecoHolic, and join us for more inspiring home decorating ideas that celebrate comfort, creativity, and timeless style.